Now, now, take out your classwork note. In the margin, write, all must listen. I will go very, very slowly. And children, those who did not write English, you can go to the recording and write, or we'll help you tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Okay, now take out your EVS classwork. Don't write anything, only the date. Don't write grade 2 EVS. Write 12/8/2020 in the margin, or write 12/8. That's enough. Then, whatever I tell, you just hope you'd have completed this. Then, you must write. Yes, hope you'd have finished that date. Lesson 3, L-3. Don't write anything fully. L-3. Lesson 3. On the first line, after writing the date, lesson 3, yes, it's already written. L3 is enough, children. No need to write L-E-S-S-O-N. Okay. L-3. Clothes. That is the lesson's name. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. You can write, you can do cursive writing. I told you next time onwards, I will write everything in cursive, okay? C-L-A-S-S-W-O-R-K, no need to write. If you want, you can write, because you have to use only one line. I tell you the short form, L3, clothes, everywhere one dash. L-3, leave space, clothes, hyphen CW. That is the short form of classwork. That's all. Now, Adonia, can you tell me whether you finished? Adonia? Yes? Adonia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you write the heading, Adonia? No means no problem. I'll write. Lesson 3, L3, right?
Lesson
L3.
3, clothes.
Clothes. Very good. Very good. CW, classwork. Hope everyone would have finished. And just see the date, 12/8. Okay, now 1 minute. Now you would have finished that. Now, please write N-E-W. Next line, it's not written. N-E-W on the next line. Capital N-E-W. Let me see how many are writing. You're going to write new words. I want you to write N, capital N. This is for everybody. I'm just dictating only this. N-E-W hyphen, leave space. Words, no need of hyphen, leave space. Words, small w, O-R-D-S. New word. Yes. Now let me see, Samantha. Are you there, Samantha? Samantha?
Yes,
Yes. Yes. Did you write new words? N-E-W, W-O-R-D-S. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll ask you, I'll come back to you later. In the margin, write, all of you listen. Some people are keeping TV. Please switch off the TV and turn off your mic. I will call one by one afterwards. Now write in the margin, Write in the margin just before new words, Roman number 1. I forgot to tell you, Roman number 1 should be written in the margin. After that, new
Ma'am,
one.
you have to write it. Ma'am, we have to write it.
Now let me, when you ask something, you tell me who's this child. Then only I can help. Who's this? Yes? Tell me, then only I can help you. Roman number 1 in the margin, then new words. I'm telling you, look at the screen, classwork. Parents, please help them, parents. Because they are going on, turning the mic on and disturbing the class. It's written classwork. That means we are doing in class. Please don't turn your mic on. Please turn off your mic, whoever's doing it. Turn off your mic fast, otherwise I'll have to do it. Please turn off your mic, children. Now, in the margin, I'm calling one by one. In the margin, write 1 to 10 numbers. In the margin, right? See again, somebody's turning the mic on and disturbing the whole class. Kailina, please turn off your mic. Please don't talk, Kailina. Disturbing the class, ma. You just wait and listen to the teacher. Already written lesson 3, clothes. CW, don't turn your mic and talk to me now. Let me teach you something. Now 1 to 10 numbers. Now I'm going to inform in the office about all this. Whoever's going on, turning the mic on and playing the fool in class. I'm going to tell principal ma'am today because the whole month you are doing the same thing from morning till afternoon. You just listen to me. L3, lesson 3, clothes, classwork. We are wasting time. CW, classwork. Roman number 1, new words. 1 to 10 numbers. You listen first. Yes, I'm going to tell in the office. These children are disturbing me a lot. Now, 1, 2, I'm calling out so that you can write. I'm not going to show all this. It's there already, but I'm just telling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No place. Go to the next page. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will wait. Now see. Now, don't be in a hurry to do anything. Number 1. Number 1. C L O T H E S. Certain letters are not correct. Not correct means T has to go up with H. Okay. C L O C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. All would have written, only write one time. Cursive. After 10, I will ask you to show your book. Clothes, clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. C-O-V-E-R. C-O-V-E-R, cover. clothes. I'm telling you very, very slowly. C-O. V-E-R. Cover. Now, let me call one child. I will check all the notebook after writing 10 words. Akshara, did you write these 2 words? Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Why I'm calling one by one? All others also must complete, because after 10 you must not tell, ma'am, I did not write third one. Okay. Clothes, cover. Thank you, Akshara. Now, third word, protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Learn like that. P-R-O, excuse me, T-E-C-T. Protect. Protect. Please go by car. Don't go to villa. Protect. P-R-O, P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Kailina, are you there, Kailina? See, when I'm calling, Kailina won't answer. Kailina. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Now, I want Fatima to read these 3 words. Please read these 3 words. Fatima, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read 1, 2, 3 words.
Clothes,
Clothes, cover,
protect.
protect. Good, good, Fatima. Now, you must write one after the other. Miss will write by the side, because to us, I don't want to waste space. Okay, so I will write by the side. You write just below protect. Don't write by the side. Or that's what I told you to write. 1 to 10 numbers. Now, skin. After protect, down. Skin. S-K-I. And I'm calling Kailina. She's not answering. S-K-I-N. This is 4th one. Just below protect. S-K-I-N. Skin. After protect, skin. Skin. Now just below that, hope you'd have written 1 to 10 numbers in the margin. No need to write by the side, okay? Only once. After protect, skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Next one. Next one. Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. You can write that O inside, no problem. C-O-T-T. Because you are doing in the double rolled note, you have to write like this. C-O-T-T-O-N. C-O-N. If it is 4 line, T-T will touch the red line. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. C-O. Now I'll give you time. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Now I will ask one by one to read the word and the spelling. Now I want Joshika. Can you read the first word? Joshika,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the first word, Joshika.
C-L-O.
No, 1 minute. Read means just read that word. I will ask you to spell the word, you can spell. Oh, clothes, very good. You learn, clothes. Now tell the spelling of that word.
C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes.
Yes, very good. Enough. You have to learn like that each word. Now next person is Kanira. Read the second word down after clothes.
Ma'am.
Read the second word. Read, not spell. Read. What is the second word down?
Cover.
Cover. Say,
Cover.
Cover. Tell the spelling of cover.
C-O-V-E-R.
Yes, you have to learn the spelling. Thank you. Now next one is after Kanira, Kailina. Kailina, read the third word from the screen. Kailina, good girl. Yes. Read. If you don't know, I will help you. Third word, Kailina.
P-R-A-D.
No. Kailina, I think I have to take you separately. Listen. Read the word. Read. Protect. Read 3 times. Protect. Protect. Read. Protect.
Protect.
3 times.
Protect.
Protect. Very good. Now tell the spell. Now listen, enough. Only thrice. You have to listen to me, Kailina. Good girl. You want to tell everything in advance. Now, tell me the spelling of protect. Tell me the spelling. P. Start. Kailina. She left it. Tell. P-R-O.
P-R-O.
T-E-C-T.
T-E-C-T.
Kailina, you have to listen to me, okay? You have to be attentive, then only you will learn the spelling. Thank you. Protect, good girl. Now, next one is Misty, please help me to read. Also, after protect, what is the word, Misty, after protect? What is it? That will... No, listen. I am telling you, 1 minute, Misty. You have to listen. When I ask you to read that word. Don't spell. Read. Skin. That's what.
Skin.
Always keep in your mind, okay? Now tell the spelling of skin.
S-K-I-N. Skin.
Very good. Only when I ask for the spelling, you must tell. Next child is Mitra. Yes. Read the next word. First word. Good morning, Mitra. How are you?
I'm fine now.
Okay. Read the fifth word starting with C. Fifth word starting with C.
Cotton.
Cotton. Tell the spelling.
C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton.
Very good. Clear. Very good, Mitra. Next one is Samantha, sweetie. Can you read the sixth word? Word, not spelling. Sixth word. Please read. Samantha, starting with yes. Yes, Samantha, you're not there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. That word is, tell me the word. Summer.
Summer.
Very good. Now tell the spelling. S U-M-M-E-R. Now I started calling the names from roll number 1. Okay. Now next is 1 minute. Now no. Next number 7. Winter. Right? All of you write. Number 7. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Please write, children. Slowly, because you're too small. You can't learn the spelling. You can't learn the spelling very fast. I have to see all 40 children. You slowly write. It's written clearly. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Yes. Winter. Okay. W-I-N-T-E-R. This is the 7th one. Now I will give till 10th. I'll make you read. Now, 8th one. Woolen. First you write the spelling of wool. W-O-O-L. Add one more L. L-E-N. Woolen. Children, some books, only one L is written. That's wrong. You have to add one more L. Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen clothes. W. Look at the screen. O-O-L. Wool. Add L-E-N. Double L. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. Because last year I used to see many children used to make mistake and they'll come and fight with me. Ma'am, only one L. No. Because wool is only one L. Add one more L. Okay. Now we finish 7, 8, 9. Raincoat. 2 words together, 1 word. Raincoat. You use it when it's raining. R-A-I-N. Slowly. R-A-I-N. C-O-A-T. Raincoat. Raincoat. R-A-I-N. C-O-A-T. Raincoat. Raincoat. Next. Now we finished 9. Last one. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. Okay. Now I want Shashwata. After writing.
Ma'am.
Shashwata. Hello, Shashwata. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read the 7th word? Seventh word.
Winter.
Winter. Very good. Tell me the spelling.
W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter.
Very good. Now, next word. Next word is for Shamma. Shamma, can you read? Can you read the next word?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Woolen.
Woolen. It is woolen. Very good. Thank you. Tell the spelling.
Woolen.
Tell the spelling of it. Tell the spelling.
W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen.
Very good. Now, Shaina, can you read the
Yes, ma'am.
9th word? Can you read the 9th word, please?
Raincoat.
Raincoat. Now tell me the spelling of it.
R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat.
Very good. Now, after Shaina, Tanvi, can you help me to read the last word?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Thread. I'll help you. Say thread. Thread. Say thread. Now tell the spelling. T-H.
R
You say T-H. T-H. R-E.
R E
A-D.
A D.
Thread.
Thread.
Okay, thread. Okay, children. Now, what we are going to do is take out your home study. Take out your home study, children. 1 minute. Take out your home study. Yes, home study. Take a new page. I'll tell you what you have to do. Take a new page. Take out your home study. Take a new page. I want everybody, okay, I want to see everyone taking your book. I want to see everyone. You can turn on your camera. I want to see. Take out your home study. Yes, Akshara, good. Take out your home study. And listen, look into your classwork note. Take out your classwork note. What you have written 1 to 10 words, same thing you have to write in home study right now. Now listen everybody. Open your home study note. See, Sai Vasadi got 2 horns. Okay. Take out your home study. Yes, you all are very happy now. Misty, take out your home study. Right?
Ma'am.
1 minute. Adonia. Yes.
I did not write 5 and 6.
Wait, I will tell you. I will tell you. Don't worry, I'm going to read out also. I will tell you. Please turn on your camera, everybody. Take out your home study. Right? Only EVS clothes. Copy the same thing from your notebook. Okay? EVS clothes. 1 to 10 words copy. I will ask you to show me. Now I want Adonia. 5th word is cotton. Adonia.
Yes,
5th
ma'am.
word is C-O-T-T-O-N. Please turn your camera. Okay, 1 minute,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Cotton. Did you write cotton?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 6th word is summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Now, S-U-M-M-E-R. Did you write, Adonia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am.
Now, children, 1 minute. I want John, copy the classwork note work, today's work in home study right now. I want to see. Misty, start right.
Sorry, which notebook?
Home study, only one home study we are using. Home study, please take out your home study where we write English EVS, please. My God. See, 1 minute, you haven't used home study so far. We were writing in double ruled thick book. Double ruled thick book. Why, Mukilan, you did not write anything in home study? Every time ma'am used to give work. Please turn on your camera. Now, 1 minute. Shamma, do you have your home study with you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take a new page. I will ask you to show. Yes, Prajan. Prajan, you didn't go anywhere. Now you are in house. Okay. Prajan, take a new page in your home study and copy EVS. Just listen. Only the camera on. Turn off your mic. Sri Mugilan, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic and turn on your camera. Everybody. Now, Sanjay Krishna, did you write EVS class, in your home study?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, ma'am, good. Just copy the 10 words neatly. Those who want, first word is clothes. Those who don't have, those who did not write CLOTH. Misty, stop dressing up. Very good, you look very sweet. Akshara smiling. Okay, Akshara. Just write 1 to 10 numbers. in the margin. Don't run away. Just we'll take 5 minutes. Yes, Muki. No. Listen, I will tell you how to write. That's what I'm going to make you do it. CLOTHES. Mitra, how many words did you write in your home study?
Finish, ma'am.
Finished all the 10 words in your home study now?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me, Mitra, home study. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
How many words you wrote now?
1.
Write all the 10. I'm waiting. I will ask you to show. See your classwork not. Very good. Who's this now? Cyrus, did you write home study? Okay. That is classwork or home study? Oh, very good. Now, I want everybody. Who is Niral in your home study? See, Niral, 1 minute. Niral, see, you have to write those letters within the line. All the 39 children are there. Very good. You have to write those small letters within 2 lines. Okay. Very good. Very good, Niral. Who else? Tridib, just show me. Very good. See, write today's date, children. Otherwise, ma'am will forget. Okay, very good, Tridib. You have to write within. Those who finish can close the book. Very good. Okay, leave the class. Those who have finished. Others wait. Others wait. Others wait. We will do. Others wait. Please do the work. Let me see, Akshara, how many have you completed? How many? Right, you have. Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Well, 1 minute, I will read out. Clothes, cover. Yes.
Ma'am, I finished.
But you have to complete. You have to complete in your home study. Protect, skin. Okay, Tridib, read all the words, Tridib. Let others write. Clothes. Tridib, read. Those who finish, I'll make you read.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clothes.
Cover, protect, skin, cotton, summer, winter,
Just
woolen,
listen to Anna, 1 minute.
thread.
Okay, good. Now you can write all the 10 words, okay, in your home study. Okay, children, just write.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. You can leave the classroom. Have a nice day, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.